the world you may be. Welcome to a new day, a new day, a new time, a new place. And I'm so grateful for everyone. I'm so grateful for everyone to be here. And I wanted to share something with you. I wanted to share something with you, and I want to continue to talk about um, the points of views and the experiences that a lot of people are having based upon the US elections. I know actually most of you here are not from the US, but it's an important awareness regardless. You know, what we have that is right here in front of us is the greatest gift that we have. Think about it. We're always thinking about how we want to change our bodies, how we want to change this, how we want to change that, how we want to do this. And in doing so, we make whatever's in front of us wrong, right? We go, oh, my body's too fat, or this government sucks, or that is horrible, or this, or that, or this, or that. And we're always doing that whole grass is greener situation, right? And what I've really, really, really come to the awareness of is, you know, what is in front of us is the only place with which we can change anything. You can't change anything from the point of view of the future. And the past is already done. It's already happened. It's already finished. You can't go back and change the past. So the invitation is to actually look at the lessons that you personally have to learn from whatever it is that you're witnessing and making wrong in contrast. So if you find yourself in a position where you're making the results of the election wrong, or you're making it about trauma and drama and, oh my God, poor me, poor us, acknowledge that. Acknowledge, first of all, how you feel. Acknowledge that it's okay to feel how you feel, but don't let the opportunity pass. Allow yourself to take the opportunity to really dig in and ask, hey, you know what? Why is this showing up in my movie? Why do I have such contrasting feelings about what's showing up in my movie? And what can I do or be to change myself so that the environment around me becomes more nurturing, more loving, and more supportive of me, more in alignment with me, right? So instead of us, I really, really feel like, there's a lot of finger pointing, a lot of fear, a lot of doubt, a lot of like drama, 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 drama. And and I looked at myself and I said, hey, you know what? This is something that we have the opportunity to really, really learn something from. And what I really believe is it's really a call for unity, not for a call for unity with only the people with which you share a point of view or an opinion, but the call for unity amongst everyone, right? What would it take for you? And I'm not saying you have to align and agree with either side that is in opposition to you, but what would it take for us to instead invite conversation, to invite collaboration, to actually see what might be under the reasons people choose certain things? I know that for myself, I've had a lot of really, really wonderful, eye-opening experiences by having thoughtful, meaningful conversations with people about the choices that they made, right? And it allows us to instead get out of the judgment and get into the possibility. Okay, so I hope that that is something that can bring each and every one of us a little bit of relief, right? If we practice these tools, we can make a shift. We can make a change, right? We can really, really make a change. And that being said, I want to also make everybody aware and mindful of the full moon that is soon approaching. It will approach, I want to say around mid-month. Don't know the exact dates yet. Of course, I'll let you know. I want to say it's going to be around November 15th. Um, and it's the full moon, and it's going to be the full moon. I believe it's in the sign of Taurus. And or maybe it's Gemini. No, it's Taurus. It's Taurus. It's full moon in Taurus. And it is going to create a new awareness, a new awakening, a new possibility, and a new exploration of your values. What is important to you? So please, as we follow the moon cycles, we don't just follow them because it's fun and it's this and it's that. There's really, really, really a lot of solid, solid, solid energy that is available for us in those moon cycles. And when we actually we become aware of them, we can utilize their energy to move us forward in our lives. So let's look forward to whatever change that's going to bring, okay, in whatever area of your life and whatever area in the world around you. And let's see. And always be in the question, right? The question releases you from having an attachment or a judgment to what is there. So let's just ask, you know, you can ask if you're finding a lot of contrast, you can ask, hey, you know what? What's right about this that I'm not getting? It's a beautiful question. What's right about this that I'm not getting? And another question that you can always be present with and ask is, how does it get even better and better and better, universe? How does it get even better? Show us. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin our meditation. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for contributing your amazing energy. Let's close our eyes and find ourselves in our heart. And as we do so, let's begin today by taking 3 deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's shift our awareness to the center of the earth. And as we shift our awareness to the center of the earth, let's imagine this beautiful energy swirling around in the center of the earth. And from this space, let's imagine this energy scooping up fresh earth energy, coming up through the soles of our feet, through our ankles, our calves, our knees, and our thighs, and traveling up through all of our chakras, and popping up outside the top of our head and forming a beautiful ball of light. Now see yourself in this ball of light. And imagine this ball of light traveling up out of the space that you're in, higher and higher and higher and faster and faster and faster. Imagine that ball of light lifting you up out past Earth's atmosphere, out into outer space, through different planets and galaxies in the Milky Way, and higher and higher and higher beyond there, out into different layers of light, some dark, through those layers into a beautiful golden-like light, through the golden-like light into a jelly-like substance light, and through the jelly-like substance light into a beautiful pink haze, which is the law of compassion. And through the law of compassion, you enter into the 7th plane of all that is, the plane of creation, of oneness, and of complete totality. And from here, this ball of light dissolves into this beautiful energy, and you feel the connection, the collaboration, the contribution of all the atoms and molecules of the universe here in this present moment for you in this time. So we're currently in a theta brainwave. It is from here that we have the opportunity to access the subconscious mind. As we do so, we have the opportunity to tap into our beliefs in our subconscious mind. Our beliefs are creating our reality. So when we change our beliefs, we can change our reality. So I'm going to tap into the quantum consciousness and see what they have for us today. So I hear the words leap of faith. So would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to take a leap of faith? Whatever that means for you, that's the message. Whatever that means for you here, now, today, take a leap of faith. Take a leap of faith in your consciousness first. And if you feel that energy, take a leap of faith in your action. So would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to trust yourself, to trust where you are going, to trust where the energy of the universe is leading you. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like to acknowledge what you have in front of you, what is in front of you, to acknowledge your part in whatever is in front of you, even if that is contrast, if that is alignment, wonderful, how great. What else can you choose that will reaffirm the alignment that you've chosen? What else is truly possible? If it's contrast that shows up for you, still ask the same question. Okay, cool. What am I being shown? What opportunity do I have here? What lesson can I learn? What opportunity can I create? Can I choose that could change everything in my life and to create an instant healing? So would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, is like, and that you are choosing to create your reality by acknowledging what is in front of you? So everywhere that you are angry, frustrated, sad, with whatever you see in front of you, would you be willing to honor that feeling and today to let it go so it does not fester inside your body, so it does not create a disconnect, a dis-ease? This is the root of disease, is dis-ease. So release, let go. So would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to let go? To let go of the hate, the anger, the fear, the doubt, the uncertainty that you may be holding or harboring inside your body. Release and let go. Release and let go. And would you like to know what it feels like to have the creator's definition of what it means to choose to live your day-to-day life in 10-second increments? I learned this from Gary Douglas, founder of Access Consciousness. What if we lived our lives in 10-second increments? Basically, it's not like, okay, I'm going to make a choice and count to 10. It's like we always have a choice. That's the reminder, is that you always have a choice. And what if you are aware of making a choice every 10 seconds? And these 10 seconds, I'm going to choose to be present. I'm going to choose to connect to my body. I'm going to choose to connect to my vibrational alignment and my energy with all of yours in this beautiful, beautiful energy of the creator of all that is. In these 10 seconds, I'm going to acknowledge that I have everything that is required for me to choose happy, healthy, safe, protected, everything. What are you choosing in these 10 seconds? Would you be willing to amplify, acknowledge, and appreciate whatever it is that you're choosing in these 10 seconds? Remember, gratitude is the food with which we nurture and nourish our manifestations. The more food, the more food something has, the more healthy it is, the more happy it is. And so would you be willing to acknowledge gratitude as the food to feed all of those beautiful places in your life? If you'd like that, say yes. You know, I'm getting the image of a diamond, but not the diamond that you see on your ring that you carry with you, but the diamond in its rawest form, right? The diamond that comes in a big lunk of coal, right? And what is required to create that masterpiece, that precious, expensive stone that you will carry or wear on your ring or as jewelry, that you will pass on to future generations, that you will talk about, that you will honor, that will have a significant meaning, a connection to something in your life? What has to happen for it to become from coal to that? Pressure. Pressure. A diamond is created when it is under an immense amount of pressure. And so what all the points of views, conclusions, expectations, separations, judgments, limitations that you have about pressure having to be uncomfortable, painful, and awful, can we destroy and uncreate it? And what if pressure was possibility? What if you could rewire the energy of pressure and turn that into possibility? right? What possibilities are available for you that you once called pressure? And everything that doesn't allow that times a gazillion, can we please destroy it and create it? And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to acknowledge you, your light, your energy as the diamond that is always there, no matter what is around it? The light that exists within you, that is what we call the infinite being. And you, as an infinite being, you are powerful beyond measure. It is your light, not your darkness, that is most feared. Channeling the amazing Mandela this morning. Wonderful. Great. So now let's shift our energy over to those who require healing today. And as we do so, let's please just imagine them surrounded in the Creator's love and in the Creator's light. Imagine them happy, healthy, safe, and protected. Okay? So thank you all for your beautiful, wonderful, amazing blessings from my mama. She's healing lovely and beautifully, and she's on a wonderful, speedy recovery. So please, if we could just continue to hold space for her and send those blessings to her. And let's also please send unconditional healing and light to Anne, our friend Ben's mother. Please send her healing and light as well. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's also please send healing to Jim. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Jerry. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Abraham. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Sarah. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Karmazina. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Susie. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Io and Andrea. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And let's also please send healing to Grace and her mama and the beautiful baby. Happy, healthy, safe, and protected. Let's also please send healing to our delightful Millie. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And let's also please send healing to Nelson, Hector, Dolly, Marcella, Marietta, and Margarita. Happy, healthy, safe, and protected. So now let's take our palms and rub our palms together. Faster and 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 faster. Place your palms over your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. When you're ready, you can open up your eyes and allow that energy to come into your body and into your being. Place your hands on your heart. Congratulate yourself. Thank yourself for being here, for showing up today, for being a part of our amazing soul family. How does it get even better? What else is possible that we have never, ever considered before? And I'll see you guys same time, same place tomorrow.
Thank you, Daniel. My mom is listening to you today. She was happy
Ah,
you sent the healing to her.
ai, mamá, eu te amo.
Ele falou, eu te amo, mãe. She said, I
Oh,
love you too.
so sweet.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank you.
Andrea, I need to speak to you today, so text me,
Sure,
okay? All right, guys,
sure.
have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.